Ito muna ang ating
Ay,
sinasakyan.
sa kanilang aeroplano, walang iba kundi si Saida, the stewardess.
Wala na yung mga kasama mong mga steward.
They have lakad, sir.
Oh, they have
Oh.
lakad. So, it's you alone.
Sir, they left me alone.
Oh. You want company?
Yes, sir.
Yan. Anong seat ang gusto mo? Yung ano? Sa likod o sa harap ng aeroplano?
Front.
Front.
Like front. Okay.
Ano
What's,
meron sa
what
atin
do you have
yan,
for today?
Today, I have fried spring rolls or
okay yan.
lumpiang toge in Tagalog with spiced vinegar.
Wow.
Oh, ayos to.
Okay. Did you, is this clean?
Yes, my lumpia is clean.
Yeah. What?
I washed it.
Okay.
Washed it, ah.
Importante yan. Mainit pa? Hindi na.
Parang uminit lang sa
Uminit
ilaw,
sa
ha? But it looks good, ha? Your toge is,
Yeah.
smells good. Yeah. Is your toge clean?
My toge is clean, sir. I wash my toge.
You
wash
wash
your
your toge.
toge.
You wash your toge, huh? Okay. Is it delicious? Is it yummy?
Yes, my toge is delicious
Alam mo,
and yummy.
pare, ako'y sanidad ako eh. Sanidad. In-inspection ko yan. Hinuhugasan niya lahat ng ng mga niluluto niya.
At
Ang
talagang-
hindi lang niya hinuhugasan yung kamay niya.
Yun lang ang problema.
Lang.
Pero yung mga niluluto.
Ay, hinuhugasan.
Oh. Oh, it's why it's very sweaty, huh?
Yeah, it's sweaty.
You inject Botox.
Yeah. Oh, good.
Yeah, I heard in the news.
Kintabong. Basang-basa.
Yeah. Cherise. Yeah, her face is very sweaty. That's why she put Botox.
Yes. Okay.